Bitcoin closed its CME gap at $64,000. What is going to be next for Bitcoin? Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Jepper and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on X and don't forget to like and comment under this video and subscribe to never miss a video again. Let's dive right into the charts because I want to discuss Bitcoin on several time frames and I will discuss some altcoins with you. Let's go. In my video of Tuesday, I've been discussing the CME gap of Bitcoin at $64,000. Let's check what I was saying in my earlier video. In the weekend, Bitcoin pumped to 66k again and almost to the 67k, and we had a massive CME gap at the $64,000. So what I expect is Bitcoin coming down from this point and retouches the 64k again. So we might see a little bit of downside this week. So as I was saying, I was expecting Bitcoin was coming down to the 64k to close the CME gap. As we can see, Bitcoin closed it perfectly, and yeah, we're already seeing a bit of a support here because this CME gap acts as support right now. And yeah, what I want to see, of course, is what we want to see a little bit of upside again, because yeah, the CME gap is closed and we don't want any gaps to be open. So we can leave this thing behind us now. Yesterday was a bearish day for Bitcoin. As we can see, we were in a little bit of an uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. We can see several touch points on this trendline support, and also on the top side we had some resistance, and it formed like a formation, a bullish pennant, and we broke down. We retested the support as resistance and we came all the way down to the 64k where we closed the CME gap, as I was saying. Yeah, what I want to see for Bitcoin right now is a little bit of bullishness coming into the market, because yeah, we also can see after the downtrend of yesterday, we can see a little bit of an yeah, some sort of a bear flag. So this could also be resulting in a little bit more downside for Bitcoin. And the breakdown target for this pattern is the downside of this formation, so that will be around here. And that will be around the 63k. So yeah, prepare for a little bit of downside today or maybe tomorrow, because yeah, Bitcoin is not looking all too good here on the shorter time frame. But if we then go to the higher time frame on the daily chart, we can also see Bitcoin is creating a little bit of bearishness. Bitcoin has been in this run up and then consolidated on the daily time frame in this pattern. Then we broke down, we retested this as a resistance, and we are now coming back down a little bit. According to this pattern, we can also see a little bit of downside again for Bitcoin. But on the other daily time frame, we can see Bitcoin is holding in this some sort of bull flag formation on the daily time frame. And yeah, what we have to hold this support, and this support will be at around 61k. So yeah, there's a little bit of room for downside, but if Bitcoin breaks this support, yeah, we are fucked, and then we are going to see lower levels. If we then look at the Bitcoin weekly time frame, we can see Bitcoin is currently below the last support, and yeah, what we need to see, we need to see close of this weekly candle above this support area to remain bullish, and if the support holds strong, then we can aim for high prices. But if the candle closes like this and we close it below the support, we have to aim for lower prices, and this will be the first support, and that will be at around $61,000 or $60,000. So yeah, keep in mind on the shorter time frame, Bitcoin could be a little bit more bearish, and on the higher time frame, I'm always a bull, because it pays to be a bull. Yesterday we saw a huge outflow of money in the Bitcoin ETFs. We saw an outflow of $120 million. This was because the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF was selling $130 million, and the IBIT ETF, so the BlackRock ETF, didn't even sell or buy anything. So that was the first time since the beginning of the ETFs, BlackRock didn't buy anything. So yeah, this could be a game changer, and I don't want to see more downside from here, because we want to see BlackRock is going to buy again and Grayscale stop selling. So we will see a little bit of upside for Bitcoin again. So the first altcoin I want to discuss with you, and I also already discussed it the last two videos, is VeChain. You can see VeChain is, we were talking about this huge resistance slash support area for VeChain. And yeah, yesterday we had a big rejection from this point. So it acted as a lot of resistance, and now we are coming back down. Yeah, what is next for VeChain? What we want to see is that we come up to this resistance area again, and that we test it as resistance again, and maybe look for a break. But yeah, for now we have to look for lower prices, and yeah, of course, if you can see, this will be the latest support area. So it's also possible that we are going to see a bounce from this point, and that we come up again, and we are ranging in this area for quite a while. But yeah, VeChain is a little bit bearish for now. That was what I wanted to say about VeChain. The second altcoin I want to discuss with you is Dogecoin on the weekly time frame, because we can see in the bear market Dogecoin has been ranging in this area of support and resistance, and it broke the weekly resistance here some weeks ago. And as you can see, huge green candles, and yeah, this area, like the break of the weekly resistance, hasn't been back tested yet. So I expect still that we're coming back down from this point, and yeah, around this point it will be a very great place to accumulate some more Doge if you're interested in Dogecoin. I think I will buy. I will put some buy orders here, and around the 10 cents, maybe 11 cents. As we can see, this resistance area hasn't been tested as support yet, so a good place to accumulate some Doge. Next, I want to talk about Matic. We can see on the daily time frame, we can see a huge support area, and it has currently been broken on the daily time frame. We are now seeing a break of this support, and we are currently retesting it as resistance. So yeah, from here I expect a little bit more downside, and yeah, this will be my first area to be interested in Matic to buy, and that will be around the 64-65 cents. So yeah, there's also a great place to accumulate more Matic. But yeah, the chart doesn't look very bullish if you ask me, because we just broke a huge support area, and yeah, we have to aim for lower prices from here. And if we then look at ChainLink, it's a little bit of the same chart, but actually we can see ChainLink held the support very strong, and we're also seeing a little bit of a bounce. And also yesterday the CCIP went live for ChainLink, so that's a huge deal. And in the coming months, you will see the benefits of this change. And yeah, this bounce from the daily support is very bullish, and we can see ChainLink maybe aim for higher levels. So yeah, the first big resistance is around here. As we can see, you can see here resistance, 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 then we broke it. Then it touched it as support, and then we fell down below the support again. But yeah, what I want to see is we're going to see to test the resistance again, and maybe aim for a break, a retest to turn it in support, and then aim for higher levels again. So yeah, this was it for today. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, follow me there, and to never miss any daily highlights about the crypto industry. Don't forget to like and comment on this video on your way out, and subscribe to never miss a video in the future. I hope you have a good day, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.